Open your preferred software. Upload your image. Design and edit as necessary. Load your Inkjet printer with Hayes Paper Co. paper. The white side is the correct side to print on. The back will have our logo and paper type stamped on the back, so you will know which type you are using. Print using a high-quality photo print setting. You can cut your decal by hand using scissors or by using an electronic cutting machine. When cutting by hand, it is important to remember to cut close to your image, following its shape. Keep in mind that when you're using white Waterslide decal paper, you will see a white border if you do not cut close to the edge of the design. Soak your decal in room temperature water. Let your decal sit in the water for about 30 to 60 seconds. Test your decal by rubbing it between your thumb and index finger. If the center of the decal slides easily, then you know that your decal is ready to be applied. If the decal is not sliding, leave it in the water for just a bit longer. To apply your decal, wet the surface that you want to apply the decal to. Slide the decal slightly off the backing and hold down with your thumb. With your other hand, gently slide the backing out from behind the decal. Note, never take the decal completely off of the backing prior to laying it flush against the object you are applying it to. This can cause it to wrinkle or crack. Use your finger or a squeegee tool to push out all the excess water from behind the decal. Once you have removed the excess water from behind the decal, take a paper towel or a small cloth to gently press down on the decal. This will help ensure that the adhesive on the back of the decal gets a good contact to the object it is being applied to.